Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock golden fence and grow a garden. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to go to my garden guide. Wait, let me search my garden guide. Okay, then you can go to the player menu. Alright, and here guys, as you can see, if you want to unlock the golden fence, you need to be at level 50. So you need to level up your garden. And you can level up your garden by increasing the XP. Okay, and to increase the XP, you can claim the achievements that you have completed. For example, wait, I'm going to go to my pet achievements. Okay, then you can claim the achievement. After you have completed one of the mission, you will be able to claim it, and then you will increase your XP. And when you increase your XP, of course, your level will be increased as well. Okay, then yeah, you need to reach the level 50 to unlock the golden fence. And I haven't unlocked the golden fence guys, but here I just want to show you the tutorial just in case if you want to get the golden fence. Okay, and that's all the video for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.